Welcome to NCCERconnect. We're going to walk through creating a course and some basic information once that course is created. We're starting on NCCERconnect.com. You'll need a Pearson instructor account to be able to access this site. If you don't have one, please connect with your NCCER Executive Director. When you're on this page, you'll click Sign In, and you'll then be taken to a page that looks similar to this. If you don't have any courses created yet, you're going to see these boxes here, which are kind of generic in nature. So we're going to walk through the first step in creating a course. I'll click Create/Copy a Course. And in here, I could search by NCCER. I could also search by craft, such as carpentry or plumbing. When we search for NCCER, this will bring up 50 or so titles. So once these come up, you're going to want to make sure to select the correct book and the correct level and edition. So I'll scroll down here, and we're going to create a title for the core curriculum. And I'll click the Select box right beside this. For the purposes of the webinar, I'm just going to copy over the title of the book and have that be the course name that I'm going to put in here. Now, when I do so, this is automatically marked as a student use course, which is what I'll leave if I'm going to have students register into my course. I do not need a description, and the dates that I set in, I'll start with today's date as my start date, and you'll see this populates automatically out 2 weeks out for the enrollment period. That's the period of time during which students can actually register into my course. I could extend that out right now if I want to, okay? My course end date is the last date during which students are going to have access to this course. You can set this out 24 months out if you would like. It doesn't hurt anything to mark instructors can copy, so I'll go ahead and set it up as allowing copy. We'll then click Create Course, and then we'll return to my course's homepage. Now, this course is in the process of being created, so that takes usually just a few minutes. In the meantime, we're going to scroll down to a course that I've already set up, and we're going to take a look at some important information about this course. When the course is set up, the little gear icon in the bottom left corner, when I click on that, it'll say Details when I roll my cursor over it. And this will provide some important information about this course, including my course ID, which is necessary for me to give to students for them to be able to register into this course. I can also just go to the Get Registration Instructions, which will walk the students through the steps necessary to register into the course. And that does as well include that course ID. In addition, I can go in and I could edit this course if I needed to. So for instance, on my enrollment period, if I had a student that came to me after October 23rd and said, I can't register into the course, it says registration is closed, I, as the instructor, could go in, edit this course information, and extend that enrollment period out. In addition, if I needed to, I could copy a course, which will copy over any changes I've made to the course, including due dates, so please keep that in mind, but it will not copy over any student data. That's the information I wanted to share about copying a course. Thank you.